All right, you have dry eye, it's worse in the morning. Let me go over some things, why this is happening, and what you can do to keep your eyes feeling great the rest of the day. When I do a dry eye evaluation, I'm always trying to find the root cause of why your eyes are dry. One of the most important questions that I ask my patients is, when does it feel the worst? If you say it's worse in the morning, that leads me to believe there's something happening at night that is causing your eyes to be dry. Now, one of the most common occurrences is your eyes are not completely closing. Have you ever been told that you sleep with your eyes open? This is a bad thing. Now, realize if you see your kids or young children doing this, you're like, how come they don't wake up with red, irritated, dry eyes? Well, realize that when we're young, our tear film functions much more efficiently. So they have a great functioning tear film which protects their eyes and does not cause dryness. As we get older, as our tear system starts to break down, we have evaporative dry eye. This means that the lubrication system of your eyes is not working properly and is going to cause them to dry out. So you want to make sure that you have complete lid closure. If someone says to you that you sleep with your eyes open, we want to attack this problem head on. I recommend Gentile Severe Eye Gel, Severe Eye Ointment, or Hyaluronic Ointment. These are things that can provide a barrier to your eyes if they're not completely closing. Okay. In addition, you have to look at some mitigating factors in your sleep environment. Do you have a fan going on you? Is your bedroom incredibly dry? Do you need a humidifier next to your bed? In addition, do you wear a CPAP machine? CPAP machines are necessary. However, the air, the oxygen, can sometimes seep out and go right into your eyes. This is going to dry them out. So your nighttime environment is very crucial to keeping your eyes feeling great in the morning. Things that you can do. Number one, the ointments, like we said. Number two, moisture goggles are a great option for people who do not like to put in drops or gels just aren't working for you. Lastly, there's something called Sleep Tight. Now, it's something that is like a patch or a sticker that you put over your eyelids. This is going to be a seal that keeps the moisture in your eyes, keeps your eyes from drying out. Now, I know it sounds crazy, but I have seen people that are desperate, that are having really bad dry eye in the morning, use something as simple as saran wrap around their eyes when they're sleeping. It sounds crazy, but the goal is to keep the moisture on your eyes and not let your eyes dry out and have problems during the rest of the day. So these are some tips and tricks that you can do to keep your eyes from feeling really bad in the morning. I love talking about the eyes. I love to give you tips, tricks, and update you on why your eyes are acting the way they are. So like, subscribe, follow us. We have new content every week.